Hello everyone, we will talk about Toshiba VFD fault. It's emergency off. This is not fault of the VFD. Actually, this is of the external digital input is which is given for emergency stop that is not coming properly. Okay, so it means like in the VFD we can program like we have some PLC or anything else, and there is something related to the emergency. So what we do, we program it like at that input, any particular input, that program for emergency stop, or sometimes we call it coast stop. Okay, so it is not because of the VFD issue. Your VFD is okay. It is about the wiring. So your wiring of the VFD, that is actually maybe broken from in the between, or it could be like emergency button is pressed, or any output like from the PLC is given. That also could be the off. Okay, so what you can do like you can queue that input again, and you can set F007 parameter, clear the past trip. Okay, so it will be cleared, and you can run it again. So emergency off is always initiated by source external to device, and is typically used for protection, safety protection, such as an emergency shutdown switch. So like there could be some hardwiring, or there could be like it is coming from PLC or any other controller or any sensor. So that would be coming. Okay. So normally it is through that, or it could come through the communication protocol. Okay. If they have write that input on the emergency protocol particularly. So it could come from there also. So no need to worry about it, like what is the issue and why it is coming. It is because of like your external emergency setup is high. Okay, so normally it used into the critical application what are used into industrial domain. So when it occurs, we plan to like trip it. Okay, so it is tripped because of external input. Okay, e-stop, coast stop, or it could be even digital input. Okay, so there is no problem or no worry. You need to just check your wiring, your programming, and your control. So with that, you will resolve this issue. If your problem is still not resolved, you can write a mail to us. You need to mention your name, mobile number, model of the VFD, what is the issue in that, what the size of the VFD. With these details, you need to write a mail to us. We will reply on that. Second, we have one PDF. In that, there is mention everything related to VFD. You will get more and more information with that PDF. So that PDF is paid, and it is very minimum price. So it will not on a higher cost. You can write a mail, and we can provide you that PDF also and that VFD solution.